This YouTube channel, dedicated to BMW car enthusiasts, will show in this video how to replace the central air vent grille on a BMW F10. You will also find out the original BMW part number for this component. A common and unattractive problem on the BMW F10 is damage to the air vent grilles, whether the side vents or the central one. Today, I will replace the central air vent grille. I start by removing the central trim that contains the central vent grille by gently and steadily moving it up and down, without applying too much force, as there is a risk of cracks appearing on the surface of the part. Disconnect the electrical connectors from the temperature sensors, the hazard light button, the central locking button, as well as the start button. Place the part on a soft surface to avoid scratching it, then remove the air vent extensions. Using a TX20 screwdriver, remove all 9 fixing screws between the trim and the vent grille. As you can see, pieces of the air vent grille have already started to fall off. The client chose to install a second-hand air vent grille, which, as you can see, already has some issues. The original BMW part number is 64 22 9 166 891, but you can also find in the image the part numbers for the other air vent grilles. I will try to install it without risking breaking the mounting systems, which are already quite worn. Install the element that contains the central air vent grille by first connecting the electrical connectors. Then guiding the fixing points into position and gently tapping by hand until they clip into place. Finally, check that the alignment of the elements is correct. I hope you found this video useful. I'll be back soon with more interesting videos. To make sure you don't miss more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.